What happened? What happened? Oh no. Okay. What Bernie do? Hmm? Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. That's the light. Talk to me. Okay. Mm-hmm. Then what next? Did you do it? You do it? Did you do it? You told Joe? You tell Joe about it? Oh, you plan to do it? You plan to do it in the morning? And then you will tell Joe what to? Oh. oh. We'll say you shouldn't tell them? Oh, you told him no, but you're gonna do it? Oh wow, my man. We're not gonna like that. You think we're gonna like that? Oh. Okay, we'll tell Will that you guys have to report this to the police. That Marty did not give you food. Okay. You're gonna tell Big Brother Maxie? Okay. Okay. Are you done? Is that the story?